guys, Korg here for another video. I want to test the Stanley PowerStation. This is the second of two videos. I want to test the auto shut-off feature of the air compressor, and I hope to save time and energy by excluding a regular tire gauge. So let's get started. Okay, this is the PowerStation. Right now it's showing set to 40. You can set it to the PSI that you want. I'm going to go 40. The current PSI in this tire is 20.6. Now this is a Segway, which I used for riding. I have two. This one, the recommendation PSI is 30 for this tire, but I'm way over 200 pounds, so it goes a little slower, and I need the tire's a little harder, so I set this to 40. So here it's 40. The PSI is 20.6. So then I'm going to hit the air, and then we'll see if it shuts off when it hits 40. There. Now, that is a time saver. The compressor shut off at 40, but the actual PSI was a little less. So if you want to have 40 exactly, you might want to set it to 41. So when it shuts off, you'll have 40. My next video, I'll review this Segway and do a ride.